Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to list an item for sale on Depop and how you can publish it to your shop. So first of all, you need to come here on depop.com. Then you just have to sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, click on the sell now button. You can also first of all click on your profile icon, then select the option of your selling hub. So it is going to redirect you here on this particular page where you can basically list your item. So over here, first of all, you need to simply upload your item's photo. Make sure that it is clear. Then you need to basically choose a clear cover photo. Then you can just simply add the rest of the images that include the front, the back, the side, label, details, and flow of that particular product. Afterwards, you need to scroll down a bit and then you need to enter its description, the category, select the brand, select the condition of the product. Afterwards, you need to basically look for the option of enhance your listing, in which you need to select the color, the source, the age, and the style. Basically, all of these things you need to select. Make sure that you keep the description accurate and you include the measurements or fit information when it is relevant. Then Depop may also show you a suggested price range based on the similar items sold that on the platform. So you can either choose them or you can also define your own pricing of the item. So over here you need to simply give the pricing of the item that you want to charge. Then you need to scroll down and from the given location country you can select your location. Then you need to simply select your city as well. Now over here in the shipping section you are going to see the domestic shipping option as well as the worldwide. So you can also select whether you want to ship domestically or worldwide. Then you can just simply check all the information and whether all the fields are completed. Afterwards you just have to click on the option of continue, then follow further on-screen instructions in order to publish your listing. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.